fox's head is quite interesting as well. And the other eyebrow, but you get this lovely shape coming down. A few little adjustments to bring that back down there, so the eye shape is just right. And probably should be about there. Where the fur drops in there, you know, we can describe that quite well when they sort of dry, and the way we move.
Now, you might not be able to answer this question, but I've noticed as you've been sketching, you've held the pencil at different lengths from the nib, depending on what you're doing. And do you find that you hold it closer to the point on certain things that you focused on versus others, or?
Yeah, interesting actually, because I'm glad I've done that, because I've been a bit of a hypocrite, because one of the things, I took a little workshop when I was away on my last trip, and I was talking about getting people to draw using the end of the pencil and further back as well, because it gives you less control over those kind of points. So when you're working in really fine detail, you hold in quite close to the nib, you've got much more control. But actually, for some of these wandering lines and expressive lines where you don't want so much control over it, you want a bit of expression, and you're just holding the pencil and your arms doing, you know, it's more gestural. Your arms doing more of the work.
Yeah.
And rather than your fingers are kind of still there, and you're holding here, and your whole arm is kind of moving around. So you're putting a very different motion into that mark as well. It has less control, but hopefully, I think it gives it more, you know, more of a gestural mark and more kind of feeling as well. It also takes away that drawing style a little bit. If you draw in a particular way, then just relinquishing control of that will force you to, you know, to loosen up your style a little bit. And I think it's good practice to kind of, you know, to draw back from holding the pencil right at the tip and just hold it, you know, sort of towards this end point.